Gai Jatra, often referred to as the cow festival or Sa Paru among the locals, is to honor loved ones who had transitioned to the afterlife. Hindus hold sacred cows in high regard because they assist the dead on their way to paradise. The Nepalese celebration originally served to honor the dead deity, but it has now changed to become a day of humor, dancing, and customs. This custom is claimed to have started under the Malla dynasty in the 17th century. After their son died, King Pratap Malla's wife was unable to cope. He offered a prize to anyone who could make the queen laugh because he wished to see her smile once more. A group of revelers started making witty fun of the nobles during the Gai Jatra parade, and the queen started laughing. Since then, Gai Jatra has also evolved into a festival of comedy.